meadows of Shelmalier, a rebel hand set the heather blazing and brought the neighbors from far and near. Then Father Murphy from old Kilcormac spurred up the rocks with a warning cry. "Arm, arm," he cried, "for I've come to lead you. For Ireland's freedom we'll fight or die." He led us on 'gainst the coming soldiers, the cowardly yeomen we put to flight. 'Twas at the Harrow the boys of Wexford showed Bookie's regiment how men could fight. Look out for hirelings, King George of England, search every kingdom that breeds a slave. For Father Murphy from County Wexford sweeps o'er the land like a mighty wave. We took Camolin and Enniscorthy, and Wexford storming drove out our foes. 'Twas at Slieve Coilcha our pikes were reeking with the crimson stream of the beaten yos. At Tuberneering and Ballyellis full many a Hessian lay in his gore. Our Father Murphy had aid come over, the green flag floated from shore to shore. At Vinegar Hill or the pleasant Slaney our heroes vainly stood back to back, and the yos at Tullow took Father Murphy and burned his body upon the rack. God grant you glory, brave Father Murphy, and open heaven to all your men, for the cause that called you may call